Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Quartz. My name is Jan, and today we're doing day 6 of David's Tea Advent Calendar, otherwise known as 24 Days of Tea. See if we can get this. Oh, we got it out without everything falling. All right, what do we think day 6 is bringing us? We just had that black tea yesterday, which I adored. The organic cream of Earl Grey. So I think today is going to be an herbal day. Forever Nuts. I think that's like a cult classic with David's Tea fans. Most people really adore it. It's, you know, enjoyable. It is. So let's get this started. Get our little ornament onto the tree. Ooh, onto the tree first. There! It's up. Hey, this goes into here. That's not how it goes. And it's in. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it. All I can do though is let you see it. So good, right? Okay, get some water in here. Forever Nuts, it is caffeine free. You need 5 minutes. Look at that, it's turning pink already. I believe I'll have to double check, but I'm pretty sure that it's beets that are in there that make it turn that gorgeous pink color. Isn't that gorgeous? Love the pink color. So what do you guys want to talk about today? Maybe today we could have a chat about technology and whether or not you're a fan of having a smart home or not. Now, me personally, I love all things smart home. I love being able to walk into a room and say a command verbally, like, you know, just, hey, do this. And the home just twinkles along and does what I need it to do. Doesn't matter if my hands are full or not. Wondering if you would be interested in a day in my life of technology, I guess, and how I use technology to, you know, just enjoy life or, you know, allow me to do things. I don't know, maybe part of the joy for me is actually using the technology. I really enjoy smart technology and yeah. However, I do know that there are some people that do not want their host listening or don't want any of those smart devices within their home. I'd love to know what your guys' thoughts are and if that's something that you're for or against, or if you're kind of unsure about the whole situation and don't know how you could actually use it, especially if, you know, I am 40 years old and, you know, I may not be the stereotypical user of smart home devices, but I dive headfirst into there and I absolutely love that. I have my Apple Watch, which I love. This is my 3rd Apple Watch. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. Our timer just went off actually, letting us know that the tea is ready. Look at that pink color. That is so ready, vibrant, very Christmassy. I love what happens with the Forever Nuts. Let's plunge it. Oh, it's glorious. Get that into this cup. I wish you guys could smell this. I don't even know how to describe it except for just delightful goodness. It's like creamy and sweet. It's like a bakery. You go into a bakery and there's so many different smells that not just one thing is being picked up, but it's just smells heavenly. Love it. All right, let's have a taste. I find Forever Nuts is always very mild. I mean, it is an herbal tea. And as you know, if you've been following along and if we've been drinking tea together, I prefer black tea typically. So this might be the perfect tea for you. Like I said, it's the perfect tea for a lot of people. Forever Nuts is one of those ones that are loved by most David's Tea fans. So I would give this a 7 out of 10. It is very delightful. It's enjoyable. I love the scent of it more than the drink. The drink is good, it's just not my personal type of tea, but I can very much appreciate it and enjoy it. So what do you give it? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I hope to see you here tomorrow. Until next time, take care.